Hello guys, welcome back to Ton of the Inspo. For today's video, here we're going to show you or discuss with you how to fix controller pairing problems MetaQuest 3. So if you're interested, let's get started. So in this case, you might be wondering what are the things that you could try doing here just in case you're having some pairing problems. So first things you want to do here is you may want to restart your headset. Now, sometimes a quick reboot of the headset is all it takes, so just turn off your MetaQuest 3 completely and wait for a few seconds and power it back on. This often triggers the controller to reconnect automatically, and that should solve your problem. But just in case this does not solve your problem, there are other things that you may want to do. So you may also want to replace the batteries here. So in this case, make sure the controller batteries are fresh. So weak or dying batteries here are one of the most common reasons for pairing issues. So just swap them out with new ones and see if that actually helps. And also, you may want to manually repair your controls. Now, once you're guaranteed that your controller here or your handset here or your controller is properly powered, so you want to manually repair it. So you want to go to your settings on your MetaQuest 3, select devices, tap on controllers, then choose the option to pair or repair controllers. And lastly, you could actually try factory resetting the controllers. Now, there might be some bugs or issues with the software itself, so sometimes factory resetting can help a lot. So in this case, you want to go to your settings and you want to go to devices, then controllers, then select the controller and choose factory reset. Now, this should be the last resort, but yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully, this video is able to help you like and subscribe to NFTinspo. Thank you for watching.